This is Mohsen Shafiq. I'm based in Pakistan. I am a food engineer. I started my career as a supply chain engineer in Coca-Cola Pakistan. Then I switched to e-commerce supply chain. So right now I have been working from last 4 years, and I am managing, global supply chain for the e-commerce brands selling their products on Amazon, USA, UK, Canada, and also European marketplaces. So this is what I'm managing right now. They're all supply chain for, inventory planning, forecasting, shipments, logistics, Amazon returns. It's a part of this. I actually working with the suppliers also as well, production planning, cash flow, each and everything, and also using different tools like ClickUp, SourceTalk, ConnectBook, Sellerboard, and Seller AMP. And also a part of this, I actually using the GS1 for creating the UPC core. So this is what actually I manage all their A to Z supply chain management with respect to also their 3PLs in different countries also as well. And this is what I'm managing. A part of this, I also manage their TikTok shop, supply chain for, and also their Shopify store, creating the bundles, managing their forecasting and inventory planning, and then placing the order. So this is what right now I'm managing. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you so much.